per month. Again, hindi lang siya yung kumikita ng half a million per month, pero yung mga friends niya na in-invite niya dito sa USANA, nag-half a million per month din. Okay, so kung gusto niyo yung matutunan, let's call on and all unmute ourselves. Okay, and let's welcome Mentor Noy Leones. Welcome, Mentor!
Welcome, mentor.
Welcome.
Welcome, Mentor!
Right. So, thank you so much, Mentor Diane. No? And of course, acknowledge ko lang din, Mentor Mads, para nakita yan, si Mentor Mads. Ayan, so, good evening, no? Mayong gabi sa mga Bisaya dyan. So, thank you so much, Mentor Diane, for inviting me sa team nyo. And, of course, para makapag-share din, especially with our topic, no? Closing the seal. So, I believe, no? Na-mention sa akin ni Mentor Diane na marami daw mga bago. So, perfect na perfect yung skills training natin for tonight because I believe it's one of the most important no na skills na kailangan nating matutunan especially pag bago tayo. So if you're running for your pace setter or maybe 'di ba you have something na ginugol okay for this week or maybe this year no marami sa atin na magpa-prag okay so I believe our topic for tonight can really help no acquire new na mga brand partners and at the same time help us achieve our goal okay for this year maybe this week no okay so of course before I start I'd like to share my screen to everyone so I think uh, medyo naninibago lang ako kasi parang first time ko this year, okay? This year, no? Mag-conduct ng training, especially sa ibang team, tapos Tagalog pa. By the way, no, from Davao pala ako. So, limited lang yung Tagalog ko. Sa Mentor Dayan, mamaya, alam mo na, can I call a friend? Pag naubusan ng Tagalog. So, once again, no, my name is Noel Leones. Ayan, so, yung naka-sunglasses pa, no? Ito, ano to, last 2 years ago, okay, sa Malaysia Convention din. So we have our upcoming Malaysia Convention next week, no? Okay, so I believe na marami sa atin attend yan, okay? Kasi it's one way for us to really, kumbaga, increase our belief, okay, sa USANA. Para makita din natin yung bigger picture ng USANA. So, by the way, no, I'm a CPA by profession. So, I'm a certified public accountant by profession. But hindi na ako nagpa-practice. Okay, so I practice my profession for 3 years while doing Usana part-time. So for those people dito na part-time ginagawa sa Usana, okay, so guys, no, uh, kumbaga equal opportunity tayo pagdating sa Usana. And kahit part-time, pwedeng maging goal director. Kasi I was able to hit my goal directorship sa Usana na part-time. Okay. So I'm also one of the pace setter of Isana for those people who's running for their pace setter. Okay, make sure to hit that one kasi it's really one of the best status, no? And at the same time, benefit, okay? Ano yung sana. So, as mentioned by Mentor Diane kanina, okay, so hindi lang ako yung Ruby director, okay, in my organization, but I have 4 direct sponsor that is right now a Ruby director. So imagine the pay pattern or the 10% that I am getting out from them. Okay? So, ayan, and again, para sa mga ano no, para makarelate lang sa mga nag-work pa. Okay? So nag-work din po ako. Okay, I started this business. I was just 21 years old that time, fresh passer sa board exam. And then fresh graduate. So accounting staff, nag-intern, nag-auditor din. Pinaka-last trabaho ko talaga, I was working as a company consultant for, yeah, I worked for 3 years. And then, yun, maganda lang pakinggan. Okay, consultant, CPA, pero kulang pa rin, okay, yung sahod. Eh, ang reason kung bakit ko pinursu yung pagiging CPA, ang sabi sa akin, pag CPA ka daw, kada pirma, 10,000. Okay, so, I was employed for 3 years, wala pa rin 10,000. Okay. Do totoo naman yun actually, pero it will really take time and it will really take a lot of effort and hindi ka lang pipirma nun. Okay. So marami kang i-review ng mga working papers din or gagawin ng mga working papers. So I was introduced na by Usana by a stranger. Okay, so hindi ko po kilala yung nag-invite po sa akin. So nakilala ko lang siya sa Facebook. Okay, sa Facebook, tapos congrats. That time naghanap ako ng work. Eh, sakto, CPA din siya. Okay, tapos CPA din ako. So I was just asking for referral. Then may mga refer naman siya. Then eventually, he introduced Yusana to me. So first time kong marinig ang Yusana, hindi naman ako negative, hindi rin ako positive. Neutral lang. Okay. So pero nung narinig ko yung presentation, nagandahan ako. Okay. So wala akong pang start that time, wala akong pera. I don't even have the skills, no? So I was very introvert during that time. Pero sabi nga, pag gusto, maraming paraan. Okay, pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Tama? Gusto ko. Okay, so hinanapan ko siya ng paraan. And no, because of that decision, it led me to where I am right now. Okay, so in a matter of 2 years, 3 years, 3 years, no, I was able to hit gold directorship, no, and eventually executive gold. And right now, I'm one of the Ruby director of Isana. So just to especially sa mga bago, no, just to give you an idea, no, how much yung kinikita ng mga Ruby director. Okay, so ito recently lang to, no, just last year, December lang. Okay, so a month ago. Okay. So this was my latest income. So that's around 500,000 in a month, no? Okay. So imagine, no, because of that one decision, okay, na simulan or try see you sana. Okay. So it led me to this kind of income, no, or level of income. Okay, sa sana. Pero more than that, of course, no, the travel, okay, itself, no. So I get to travel a lot because of Isana. So never did I imagine, no, before na makakapag-travel, no, sa iba't ibang bansa. Okay, tapos free, okay, free pa sponsored by Usana. So just last year magkasama kami ni Mentor Dayan, no, sa Japan last December. And then magkasama ulit kami sa March, no, sa Dubai. Ayan, so tapos first time ang dadalhin ko that time is yung mother ko. So first time niya makapag-travel international kasi recently lang din ayos yung birth certificate niya. Okay. Pero more than the ano no, more than the income, more than the travels, the material things is of course the people that I help, no, because of this opportunity. Okay, so I mean marami namang opportunity dyan outside, no, na pwede tayong kumita ng malaki pero bibihira lang yung opportunity na pwede kang kumita ng malaki at the same time you can also help a lot of people na yung kinikita mo pwede din kitain nila. Okay, so right now I have 4 Ruby directors, 8 gold directors, 55 directors, no, 9 bronze director, 18 silver directors under my organization. Okay, so uh, in short yung sana hindi siya for specific na profession or tao. Okay, so everyone is welcome and we all have equal opportunity. Okay, sa sana. So as long as, 'di ba, aralin lang talaga natin, okay, yung sana na yung opportunity na sinimulan natin. Especially, no, with our topic skills. Okay, so ang topic natin by the way, no, for tonight is closing the seal. Okay, so of course, no, again, para to sa mga luma and even sa mga bago din. Okay, so kung kaka-start mo pa lang kahapon, okay, so perfect na perfect, okay, yung training na to. So remove that mindset na yung dapat matuto lang or dapat yung nagko-closing lang are those directors, 'di ba? Mga silver directors, even gold directors. Okay? Kasi everyone can really close a sale. And remove that mindset also na hindi ko pa kayang makapag-close ng sale kasi wala pa akong result. Kasi hindi lang naman result, okay, yung batayan ng prospect mo why they join the business. Okay? So there are a lot of reasons, no, bakit sila nagjo-join, okay, sa USAID. So that's why, no, powerful yung training natin, okay, for tonight para alam natin or aware tayo, okay, what are ano yung mga kailangan natin gawin or mga itanong, okay, during closing. Okay, but first things first, okay, so ano ba yung closing or personal closing? This is the point wherein someone, either your upline, okay, so if that presentation is a three-way presentation, meaning to say, ikaw, yung prospect mo, tsaka yung presenter. So normally, pagbago, okay, so the upline present in behalf, okay, sa bagong brand partner natin. Okay, and minsan, di ba, it's a two-way presentation, okay, ikaw yung nag-invite, ikaw din yung magpe-present, ikaw din yung magko-closing, okay? So, this is the point where they share their personal stories, why they join you sana, and what benefits they may have gotten because of the opportunity. This also aims to inspire your guests to start their journey as well on working their dreams. Okay, but of course, no, another one. Again, this training or this skills is the most important, okay, part of the presentation. Okay, so make sure that you still have time, okay, for it. Okay, so most of the time, masyado tayong concerned na with the details. Okay, sa presentation na minsan, di ba, sobrang detailed na, diniscuss mo na yung mga molecule, diniscuss mo na yung mga every ingredient ng Cellsensas. Tapos, ang ending, di ba, wala ka ng time, hindi ka, or konti, or wala ka ng time, no, para i-closing, okay, yung prospect mo. Okay, so ang ending, 'di ba, hindi talaga nag-pay in or maybe hindi mo na set, okay, for another exposure. Okay, so rules, 'di ba, be prepared. Okay, so if be prepared na sa mga materials na kakailanganin mo. So let's say for example, 'di ba, yung kakausapin mo is out of the country. Okay, so at least 'di ba you have the idea how much is the package, okay, in that particular country, kung kailangan mo ng mga price list, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so of course no, very important to attend training as many as you can, okay, because that's one way for you to familiarize, okay, with this area, at the same time to be equipped then, okay, kasi in our business, very important talaga that we are really equipped, okay, in this business in order for us to really build the business right. Sabi nga ni Chinkita, no, sabi niya, don't be interested in terms of closing your first sale, but be interested in terms of learning the process of closing the sale. Okay, kasi pwedeng, di ba, nakachamba lang tayo, pero pag alam natin yung process of closing the sale, eventually kaya mo siyang ulit-ulitin, and at the same time, kaya mo siyang maituro. Okay? So, if you're someone din, di ba, na someone is doing presentation or closing in behalf for you, okay? So, the goal is to observe. Okay? Kasi minsan, di ba, may mga bago na hindi pa masyadong, kumbaga, ah, maraming ginagawa, okay, hindi nakikinig, okay. So your goal is to observe, no, the actual closing, no, para at least ikaw naman, kasi ang goal mo, ikaw naman yung mag-closing the next time around. So even ako, no, Mentor Dayan, so talagang chinachat ko siya na, Mentor, baka may mga presentation ka na upcoming, pwede ba ako makapag sit in para ma-observe ko din how Mentor Dayan present and even close the sale. Okay, so I think last week yung Mentor, no, Mentor Dayan, na nag-observe ako sa closing mo. Kasi iba't ibang tao, iba't ibang way, okay, of closing the sale. So, at the same time, ang goal mo is to practice, okay, how to close the sale. Kasi in Usana, you won't learn just by listening, no, observing, even attending training lang alone, but you actually learn and master this opportunity by actually doing it. Okay, pag ginagawa mo siya every single day. Okay, so minsan napapatanong tayo, grabe, ang galing ni Mentor Dayan, ang galing nila Mentor Mads, ang galing ng mga mentors natin. Pero imagine na lang ilang presentation yung ginawa nila in order for them, okay, para gumaling. Okay, so so ang goal natin, 'di ba? Gawin lang talaga sa iyo sana, maraming presentation, maraming closing. Eventually, you'll get there. Okay, so unconsciously medyo marirealize mo na, oh nga, no, parang nakaka 1:1 na ako, okay, in terms of closing. So of course, no, ensure that the guests, okay, you do the open mind, okay, kasi tama, and of course you do the proper EBC, okay, sa presenter, and not just sa presenter, no, but even during presentation, okay, you apply the ABC rule or edifying. Okay, another one is form. Okay, so ganito, ano yung form? Okay, so you can message your apply, no, ano yung form. That's family, occupation, recreation, tsaka motivation, especially the important details, okay, of your prospect, para at least yung magko-closing alam niya kung ano yung mga sasabihin niya, or even ano yung mga spill, okay, or maybe the hot button of your prospect. Okay, so ano yung something that is relatable, okay, to your prospect. So of course, no, you have to build rapport, okay, to your prospect. Don't start the presentation, okay, na hindi ka nakakapag-build ng rapport. Okay, so maybe find something that you will you will appreciate, okay, to that particular prospect. Okay, so before you start the presentation, kasi ang awkward naman, okay, na parang nag-start ka na ng presentation, nag-closing ka na, pero hindi pa rin siya at ease, okay, sa'yo, or hindi pa rin siya comfortable, okay, sa'yo. Yan. Another one is look for, or be conscious of buying signals. Okay, so especially, 'di ba, if interested 'yan, okay, then you will be more confident in terms of closing the sale. Okay, so minsan, 'di ba, pag feeling ko hindi naman to interested, hindi naman nakikinig, okay, so I don't do well, no, in terms of the closing the sale. Minsan nga pag hindi talaga nakikinig, ako na yung nagkakakat. Okay, so medyo ano lang siya, no? Medyo, ah, tawag nito, ano bang term yan? Medyo, ah, rude, okay? Medyo rude. Pero minsan mga rude talaga, niro-rude ko din. Okay. Pero hindi mo naman kailangan gawin yun eh. Okay. So minsan, sinasabi ko na I don't think you're interested. I don't want to waste my time. I don't want to waste your time. Let's just cut this conversation. Let's talk other topics. Okay. So ano yung mga buying signals? So buyer picks up any visual aid. Okay. So kumukuha ng mga visual aid, mga presentation slide. Pwede ko bang mahingi yan? Asking questions about payment options, okay, delivery, etc. Okay, kaya hindi ko din maintindihan yung iba, no, na ayaw na yung prospect na lang nagtatanong, okay. Actually, kapag the more na nagtatanong yung prospect mo, meaning to say, the more na mas interested yan, okay. So, very important lang talaga na ma-address mo yung mga tinatanong nila or mga questions nila, okay. Another one, nods, okay, during presentation, okay, so tumatango, okay, so looks through the visual presentation. Okay, kasi mahirap naman, no, na nagpe-present ka tapos yung prospect mo minsan hindi nag-open ng camera, okay, minsan nagluluto, minsan naglalaba, okay. So make sure talaga, okay, na nakikinig yan, okay. So these are also one of the buying signals para at least alam mo if you will really push through, okay, for the closing. Okay, so of course, no, those people or those prospect who lean forward, okay, kasi mahirap naman kapag nakaganyan, hindi talaga yan interested. Tama. Okay. So, main concern of prospects, okay? So, these are the concerns na uh, tumatakbo actually sa most prospects na meron tayo. Okay? And very important that you're aware of it. Okay? Kasi minsan, meron tayong tinatawag na pre-kill. Okay? Pag sinabing pag sinabing pre-kill, minsan sa open mind pa lang, minsan sa during presentation or every slides, okay, pinapatay mo na yung mga concern na to. Para eventually, 'di ba, sa pinaka closing mo, okay,
Ay, wala palang fruits.
iba na yung magiging objection niya. Okay, kasi during pa lang sa presentation or maybe sa opening the mind pa lang, okay, through your story, okay, pinapatay mo na yun. Tama? Okay, so will I get my capital back? Okay, can I do this? Will I be successful here? Will you help me? Who will else will help me? Okay, so on and so forth. Okay, now let's proceed. Okay, to the topic. Okay, so closing elements, no, in terms of closing the sale. So guys, now we have only two activities. Okay, for tonight. Okay, kasi medyo naninibago pa ako sa ganitong style of training. Sabi ko, Mentor Diane, pwede bang dalawang activity lang muna, Mentor? Kasi parang ang awkward na sa akin, parang may mga tawag nito, may mga session. Okay. Pero guys, no, yan. Closing elements, okay, so share personal story, guide the decision making, create urgency, handle objections, and connect the need. Medyo mabilis ba ako, Mentor?
Hindi mentor, saktong-sakto lang.
Sakto lang. Sige. So, in sharing your personal story, okay, so normally after the presentation, after mong binagsak, okay, how to start, okay, sa'yo sana, okay, so these are the things that you need to share, no, okay, to your prospect. As someone nga na nag-invite or maybe you're the one presenting. Okay, so for example, di ba, how did you start? What package did you get? And what mode of payment, okay, did you use? Okay, so for example, ako, nagsimula ako sa Usana. I was 21 years old during that time. Ang kinuha ko actually, one business center. Okay, that's 6 pairs of sales essentials. And yung mode of payment ko is cash. Okay, so actually, friend, wala naman talaga akong pang-start, okay, during that time. Kasi what can you expect from a 21 years old, no? Okay, tapos fresh grad pa. And hindi naman kami well off, okay, in terms of our family. Pero sabi nga, pag gusto, maraming paraan. Pag ayaw, maraming dahilan. Okay, alam mo, friend, ang ginawa ko, talaga naganap ako ng paraan. Okay, nungutang ako, okay, para lang makapag-raise, okay, ng certain amount of capital. So, ang ginawa ko actually, wala namang magpapahiram sa akin ng 20, that time, nasa 18,000 pa yon. 18,000, no? Okay na pera. Pero may willing na magpahiram 2,000, 3,000. Okay. So may mga iba't ibang tao yung hiniraman ko in order for me to raise that certain amount of capital. Okay. So 18,000, may 6,000, may 5,000. Okay. Tapos I was able to raise that particular capital. Buti nilang friend, okay, nagsimula ako. Kasi in a matter of 1 month. Okay. So ang ginawa ko, of course, may mga trainings naman. Okay, product training, inaral ko yung product. Okay. Tapos eventually, I was able to sell, okay, the 6 pairs of Sales Essentials. Okay. So sino yung mga binentahan ko? Yun din yung mga inutangan ko. Okay. So in short, di ba, nabayaran ko, okay, yung utang ko. And ang good news pa doon, in a matter of 1 month, in my first month then, I was able to earn my first commission, which is $50. So for him, $50, di ba? For a start, okay na yun. Kasi ang goal ko lang naman sa'yo sana is, at first, is to earn extra income. Okay? Tapos, $50 is a good income na din. Especially 10 years ago. Okay? So, I mean, di ba, $50, that's 2,500 pesos. Okay, right now, no? So, kung consistent yan, that's around 10,000 pesos. Okay. So, pero, of course, no, hindi lang yan po yung potential na pwedeng kitain. Okay, sa'yo sana. So, another one that you need to share. So, you might share, no? Okay, paano ka mag-start? But of course, yun naman yung totoo. Okay, kasi, let's say for example, di ba, nagsimula ka na talagang may savings ka, okay? So you tell them na may savings ka when I started, okay? Tapos you realize na pag sa bangko yan, hindi naman yan kikita ng malaki o hindi naman yan tutubo. Why not, 'di ba? Or might as well i-business ko siya para at least kumita or tumubo ka siya. Okay? So Ah, yan, pag credit card, sabihin mo na ah, credit card mo. Okay, so on and so forth. So, of course, no, how long you got your investment, okay, or ROI time. So, is it through sales or through income or weekly commission? Okay, so as uh, yung sinasabi ko dyan, okay, nabalik sa akin yung capital, okay, through sales. Okay, so nabenta ko yung product ko, okay, in a matter of 4 weeks or 1 month, no? So I was able to recover, okay, the capital that I kumbaga purchased, no, the products, okay. Pero ang pinaka good news pa doon, okay, so aside from the profit, no, that I get, no, from selling the product, I also earn in terms of the weekly commission. So yun na nga, $50 on my second month, I was able to earn my first $100, okay. So on and so forth. So um you're telling those stories in order for them to give them an idea din. Okay na, oo nga, no, parang pwede din. Okay, so I mean, if ever wala namang pang start, okay, yung prospect mo, okay, so pwede naman talaga siyang manghiram or possible na may mga resources naman din siya. Okay, so sabi nga, it's not about the resources, it's all about being resourceful or resourcefulness. Okay? So another one, share also your personal experience, no, with the team and share your income. Okay? So especially those people na feeling nila or ang thinking nila hindi nila kayang gawin to. Kasi most of the time yung ibang prospect, okay, inisip nila parang hindi ko kaya yung ginagawa mo. Okay, nagpe-present, okay, nagte-training, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, so they don't actually acknowledge the fact na yung you sana it's a team effort. Okay, so may tutulong naman, tsaka may training naman. Okay, so I always tell them then, so at first, di ba, wala naman talaga akong idea how to run this business, wala din akong skills, no, how to run this business, pero ang maganda, friend, may mga trainings naman, okay, na kinakandak, no, yung team natin, okay, especially the product, even the skills, no, on how to do the business. Okay, ang pinaka gusto ko din dito, okay, when I started, hindi naman ako nag-present. Okay, but ang nag-present in behalf sa akin is the one who presented the opportunity or yung pinaka-mentor ko dito. So in short, hindi mo to gagawin na mag-isa. Gagawin mo siya, okay, with us. So, and of course, no, wag kang mahiya. If you're earning $50, $100, okay, so tell them, okay, na I'm earning around $50 or $100 or that's 10,000 pesos. Okay, it's a matter of conviction lang guys, no? Okay, so dati, I remember, no, when I was starting, hindi naman, lahat naman siguro ng mga daya mo, no, nagsimula din, okay, na maliit din yung income, okay? Pero how they do the closing ba, especially in terms of the result, paano nila binabagsak? Okay, so ako personally, okay, binabagsak ko dyan, friend, okay, 1 month pa lang ako sa iyo sana, okay, I earn my $50. Hindi pa siya ganun kalaki, pero I believe no lahat ng malaking income, nagsimula sa maliit. And I'm very serious in terms of building this business. Okay, so friend, alam mo ba yung goal ko, okay, for next month is to earn my first $200. Okay, so for the next 3 months to earn my first $1,000. So, friend, whether mag-start ka man or hindi, okay, so gagawin ko, siseryosohin ko to, aaralin ko to. Okay, but of course, I'd love to do it with you. Kasi friend tayo, okay? Kumbaga, sumabay ka na. Okay? Kasi, again, whether sasabay ka or hindi, talagang siseryosohin ko to. Okay? So, alam mo yung feeling na FOMO, fear of missing out, okay? Dapat yun yung ma-feel, okay, ng friend mo. Okay, na if ever hindi siya sasabay, okay, so he or she will really miss out a lot. Okay? So, yan, if you're still a newbie, okay, again, show your income, then also show the income of your nearest gold upline. So, friend, hindi pa ganun kalaki yung kinikita ko, $50, $100, pero again, seryoso ako. Pero friend, okay, imagine na lang if siseryosohin natin to tapos gagawin na to long term. Okay, so for example, yung mentor ko is a gold director. Okay, so ito yung kinikita niya, blah blah blah. Okay, you can also edify no, show some of the gold directors that have big kanang kumbaga result just to show your prospect the bigger picture, okay, kung magkano yung pwedeng kitain niya pa, okay, dito sa iyo sana. So activity tayo guys, okay, so in your tawag niyan, Zoom breakout room,
Breakout
okay.
room. Yan,
Okay.
mentor.
Breakout room, no? So, I don't know if ilang tao kayo sa breakout room, mentor, no? So, I think you can, ano, no? You can, tawag nito,
Share.
share, okay?
Naka-assign na mentor, naka-assign sila sa
Naka-assign na,
room.
okay. Salitan,
Normally 4 to 5 mentor.
salitan kayo, guys, and practice these things, no? Okay, so, to share, okay, to your prospect. Okay, so yan. I think pwedeng itong tatlo lang. Okay, so kasi gamit na gamit to. Okay, so of course no, aside from practicing it, okay, so very important then to also craft your own story. Okay, kasi your story really helps a lot no in terms of closing the sale. So mentor, let's proceed okay sa breakout room.
Yes, thank you so much, Mentor Noy. So, everybody, join po kayo ng mga breakout room. Tapos pag nalagay kayo, tandaan nyo lang po yung name ng breakout room nyo. So, you will be assigned to Mentor Mats, Mentor Marky, Mentor Denny, sa akin po, and Coach Lyra. Okay?
And so congratulations guys. No? And congratulations sa demo drill natin or activity natin for tonight. So, next thing to do after sharing your personal story, no, okay, to your prospect. Okay, so next is the guide the decision making, okay, to your prospect. So, these are the important question to ask. Kasi minsan pag, especially, di ba, pag bago ka pa, okay, some of the associate or brand partners are hesitate to ask this one. Okay, especially pag pa-closing na or pa-start na or tawag nito, yeah, pa-start na yung prospect mo. Okay. So minsan, 'di ba, pag instead na interested naman sana yung prospect mo, okay. So minsan yung brand partner pa yung magsasabi na pag-isipan mo muna, okay? So take your time. Okay, guys, no, 'di ba? Medyo mahabang proseso 'yan. I mean, from prospecting, inviting, okay, tapos presentation, talagang binigyan pa ng time ng upline mo. Okay, tapos sasabihin mo lang na pag-iisipan. Okay. Imbis na interested or willing, ready na talaga dapat na mag-start. Okay, tapos ikaw pa yung magsasabi na pag-iisipan. Okay. So, first na itatanong mo sa kanya, okay, so, friend, sa pinakitang packages kanina or sa presentation, ano yung mas nagustuhan mo doon? Is it the 1BC or the 3BC? Okay, so para at least may idea ka din, okay, kung ano yung mga ibabagsak mo kasi tatanong mo din sa kanya, okay, ano ba yung gusto mo diyan sa 1BC or sa 3BC? Ah, tawag nito, customize ba or yung self-sensors lahat? Okay, so para minsan din mag-open up din yung prospect mo na ang pasok sa budget niya, okay, is the 1BC. Pag 1BC, o tapos tanungin mo na, o ano, start na tayo. Okay, pag hindi pa rin, okay, tanungin mo muna, okay, what mode of payment do you prefer? Okay, cash or credit card? Okay, so pag credit card, Visa or Mastercard? Okay, so pag cash naman, pag sinabi na credit card, actually pag credit card, pwede natin i-process online. Okay, so pwede mo din siyang i-tour, okay, sa system mo on how to enroll. Okay, tapos friend, actually pwede na kitang i-enroll. Ang kailangan ko lang details. Sabihin mo lang yung details, okay, while I am encoding it. Okay, so pag medyo hindi siya comfortable naman, okay, na ibigay sa'yo during the meeting, okay, yung credit card details niya, you can also send, okay, your enrollment link, okay, sa kanya. So pag sinabing cash, okay, so cash, then tanungin mo, okay, yung pag-cash ba, friend, is it something that you have right now, like you have the savings right now, or is it something na paghahanapan mo pa ng paraan? Okay, so para at least clear, okay, yung usapan. Tapos pag sinabi na actually ready na ako or meron na meron akong on hand, okay, na cash. So yan. So, then ask, no? So, start na tayo. Okay? So, pag hindi pa siya willing na mag-start, then next thing to ask is, when do you plan to start? Okay? Kasi minsan, hindi natin to tinatanong. Okay? Again, yung iba, sige, pag-isipan mo ng mabuti. Okay? Sige, text mo na lang ako. Okay? After the presentation. So, make sure to ask this question, no? Para at least, uh, mas ma-address mo pa or mas may mga follow-up na question ka pa, okay? If ever hindi man siya mag on the spot PE, no? Okay, so and yun na nga, okay, minsan ah, hindi din siya mag-open up, okay, in terms of his objections or personal na mga concern. Okay, so minsan din, okay, tatanungin mo siya. So friend, if you rate the business from 1 to 10, 10 being the highest, meaning 10 gusto mo siyang gawin, anong rating mo? Okay, so pag sinabing 8 or pag sinabing 9, okay, that's a very good number. Okay, okay lang tanungin ano yung 2 to make it 10. Okay, so this time, pinipinpoint mo na yung possible objection niya. Okay, so again, no, every time you answer this questions, no, or you answer this, tawag nito, you ask these questions, okay? So always be closing, okay? So minsan magagamit mo din yung mga pang ABC, okay, na mga upline or even cross lines. So let's say for example, ito friend, credit card yung ginamit niya, okay, tapos yung credit card, okay, pwedeng pina-installment niya ng 3 months, 6 months. Okay, so para at least mabigyan mo din siya ng idea. Okay, kasi yung iba medyo hesitant, okay, na gumamit ng credit card. Okay, kasi akala nila yung only options lang is straight payment. Okay? So, and ayan, another one, aside from the decision making, no, or guiding them to decide, no, okay, to enroll. Okay, so next thing to do is create urgency. Okay, so para at least kasi pwedeng mag-start naman siya next year, okay? Pero bakit niya sisimulan ngayon? Okay, so that's the goal, no? Okay, as much as possible, again, mahirap mag-invite, mahirap mag-take ng time, okay, yung presentation. So kung kaya mo nang mapa on the spot, then ipa on the spot mo na siya. Okay, so minsan din walang urgency on their part. Okay, what's in it for them? Okay, why they do have to start? Okay, this time pwede naman simulan la after a month, pwedeng 'di ba after 2 months. Okay, so again, you have to do urgency or to create urgency, okay, for them. So it's either you show limited time promotion, okay, from Usana. Okay, so for example, may mga promo ang Usana, di ba? Okay, for example, sa mga Salavid, may mga palibreng bag. Minsan din, may mga palibreng 990. Okay, so I think last year, may mga libreng BDS. Okay, so friend, actually, if mag-enroll ka this week, okay, you can still avail the promo. Kasi until ano na lang siya, until this Saturday 2 p.m. na lang siya. Okay, you can avail the free BDS worth 990 pesos. Okay, so anything na pwedeng makapag-create ng urgency, okay, so lay down all the plans, okay, to them. Kasi ang goal mo, again, is mapa on the spot. Kasi mas madali pang magpa on the spot kaysa i-follow up yan. Okay? Kasi pag hindi yan nag on the spot, crucial yung first 24 to 48 hours nila. Okay, so pag hindi mo sila na-expose agad or nakausap kaagad, pwedeng mag-negative na yan or pwedeng makarinig ng ibang mga notion, no, okay, from other people. Okay, so pwede din ito. Okay, actually ito ginagamit ko din to. So especially if you're someone na magaling ka mag-move ng products. Okay, so dito sa Davao, I think most of us talagang magaling, okay? Magaling sa product movement din, okay? Magaling sa retail. It's not a problem, no, in terms of retailing or selling the products. Aside from it's really good, okay? So siguro it's really one of our ano din parang training how to really sell okay the product. So let's say for example, syempre yung orders natin, yung initial order is 6 pairs. Tapos yung auto order natin it's either 3 pairs or 6 pairs. Okay? So pag ikaw yung tipong tao na malakas talagang mag-retail or mag-sell ng products no, tapos sobra-sobra pa, may excess orders ka. Ang ginagawa ko diyan, pinang-debate ko 'yan, okay, sa mga nakakausap ko. So just for them just for me to create urgency, okay, to them. So let's say, for example, I have two pairs of essentials na extra order. So for example, wala akong on hand, okay, na essentials. So meaning to say, kailangan it's either tapos, syempre na pag customer, ang goal natin is somehow ma-deliver or ma-deliver agad, okay, sa kanya. So we don't have a choice but to really uh, kumbaga cater or deliver the products on that particular week. Okay? So minsan ang ginagawa ko talaga, okay. So friend, if ever go ka na or interested ka to really start okay this week, I have actually extra orders, 2 pairs of essentials. Actually, pwede ko siyang isabay sa order mo. Okay? So instead of purchasing, pwedeng ito ang gawin mo, pwedeng instead of purchasing 6 pairs of essentials, 4 na lang. Okay, so ako na yung magdadagdag kasi extra orders ko to. Kasi sayang din kung ipe-purchase ko siya, okay, on my own account. Okay, so better na madagdag ko na lang sa'yo para at least makatulong. Or instead of aside from the 6 pairs, pwede kong idagdag sa orders mo. Okay, para at least konti na lang yung kailangan mo in order for you to upgrade your business center. Okay, so pwedeng ganun. Pero friend, actually yung extra order ko, kailangan ko na siyang ma-deliver within this week. Okay, or tomorrow. Okay, pwedeng tomorrow. Okay, so if ever decided ka na okay na mag-start, pwede ko siyang isabay sa'yo. But of course, di ba, if hindi ka makakapag-start ngayon, ibibigay ko siya sa iba. Okay, so pwedeng ganun. Okay, so kasi ang point ko dyan is, di ba, kaysa ba naman i-purchase mo lang sa account mo, better na mabait mo yan, eh may bago ka pang associate. Okay. So, minsan pag marami talaga, okay, so dinidivide ko yan. Okay, so may 2 pairs, okay, 2 pairs sa kinakausap ko. Minsan din, sa mga previous na kausap ko, tinatawagan ko din, pina-follow up ko sila. Okay, tapos, binibid ko sa 2 pairs of essentials. Sa friend, tumawag lang ako just in case na interested ka pa rin to start the business. Kasi the last time that we had our presentation, you are really interested tapos maghahanap ka lang ng paraan. Okay, so kumusta naman? Nakapaghanap ka na ba ng paraan? Okay, so by the way, I have good news to you. Okay, ang good news ko, actually may extra order ako, 2 pairs. Remember the 6 pairs in order for you to start an account sa'yo sana. Okay, so actually friend, pwede kong idagdag sa'yo yung extra 2 orders ko, okay, for this week. Para at least yung kailangan mo na lang bilihin is the 4 pairs. Okay, so you can save as much as 7,000 pesos. Okay, so and hindi hindi always na hindi always na may ganitong offer, friend. Okay, so this week lang kasi kailangan ko ding makater to sa customer ko. Okay, so yan, pwede mo yang gawin. Okay, so pag nag-yes yun, okay, marami ka nang mamabate. Okay, na mabibate na tawag nito ay mga enrollment. So, pag may dalawang confirm ka na, tapos may kinakausap ka ngayon, actually, friend, di ba, may confirm na ako na dalawa na mag-enroll. Okay, tomorrow. Kasi tomorrow naman yung sinabi mo. Okay? So, kung magsa-start ka ngayon, okay, so most likely, mapuposition kita, okay, sa project leg ko. Okay, those two potential na brand partners, pwede ko silang ilagay under you. Okay, so I actually sort of power positioning na din siya. Okay, but again, no, if you're someone na talagang magaling, okay, in terms of retailing or moving products, you can maximize that one, no, in closing the sale or paying, kumbaga, making on the spot na mga enrollment. Okay, so at least, di ba, instead na 6 pairs lang yung nadagdag sa'yo, o may 3 enrollment ka. Okay, that's a total of 600 points, okay, worth of products. Okay, malaking tulong na yan, okay, sa goal mo for this week. Okay, so next is, to create urgency, okay, you can also carefully explain the concept of smart positioning and how it can be a game changer. Okay, so pag sinabing, willing naman ako mag-start, kaya lang, baka next month, kaya lang, baka next week, kaya lang, baka next 2 months. Okay? So make sure no na mapaintindi mo sa kanila o sa kanya okay yung power positioning. So friend, actually okay naman. Okay lang naman na mag-start ka next month, mag-start ka next week. Okay, pero okay lang ba if I can share you my game plan? Okay for you just in case mag-start ka this week. Ano yung magiging advantage mo? So actually friend, 'di ba? Drawing ka, okay if may pa-drawing ka kung physical or offline naman kayo nakita, okay pag ano naman, pag online naman, for sure, meron naman kayong slides na about smart positioning. Okay, so if ever magsta-start ka, but of course, don't promise, okay, to your prospect na i-build ko yung isang side mo. Okay, kasi though, certain naman yan, okay, but of course, no, if you're really serious in terms of this business, okay, ang sinasabi ko talaga dyan. So, friend, actually, aside from you, okay, may ibang kakausapin pa ako. If ever magsa-start ka, okay, today, okay, mamaya may dalawang kakausapin pa ako. Just in case, di ba, mag-start sila, most likely they will be under you. Okay, so imagine the points. Okay, the points na pwedeng mapasayo. And ang maganda dyan actually, friend, okay, hindi lang points, but even those uh, team or group that they will actually build, no, okay, in the future, will be put under you. Okay, so mean to say, hindi lang isa, dalawang tao yung pwedeng mo mismo, but even hundreds of people. So, ang ginagawa ko din dito, actually, nagbibigay talaga ako ng example. Okay, so ito yung picture namin, no, okay. So, ng mga other leaders ko, okay, so particularly yung mga Ruby directors ko, no, I always share this story, okay, to my prospect, para at least ma-imagine nila. Kasi minsan, yung prospect natin, hindi nila na-imagine, no? Okay, yung mga smart positioning, especially if first time nila, okay, maka-encounter ng ganitong business. Okay, so actually, friend, di ba, yung na-explain ko kanina, the compensation plan, it's just binary, no? Okay, means team effort naman siya. Ang goal is to build a team. Okay, at least 2 teams. Okay, so actually, friend, again, sample ko lang to ha. Okay, just in case mag-start ka ngayon. Okay, so ito yung, di ba, power positioning ka na. So for example, friend, okay, ito si Jover, office mate ko actually. Okay, sa first job ko, no? Okay, so he's also an accountant by profession. Okay, tapos actually nung presentan ko siya pa rin. Okay, hindi pala niya first time. Okay, marinig niyo sana. Okay, so ilang beses niya nang narinig yung sana, ilang beses niya nang narinig. Okay, yung mga ganitong business. So medyo negative at saka hesitant din siya. Okay? Here comes Mark. Okay, si Mark, okay, actually, first time niyang marinig ang Yusana. First time niya ring marinig, okay, yung ganitong business. But actually, before Yusana, binabasa niya na yung book ni Robert Kiyosaki. Okay, sa book ni Robert Kiyosaki na Rich Dad Poor Dad, sa later part, actually, he's actually discussing network marketing or this kind of business. So talagang kumbaga talagang naghahanap siya actively, okay, ng network marketing business. Okay, so saktong-sakto nung na-invite ko siya, okay, gustong-gusto niya. Actually, wala siyang pang-start, okay, during that time. Kasi pareho kami. Okay, kaklase ko naman si Mark sa review. Okay, pareho kaming kaka-start lang sa career, okay, so on and so forth. Okay, pero you know what? Sobrang na-appreciate niya yung business. Sobrang na-appreciate niya yung business ng Usana, nagustuhan niya yung product, especially the compensation plan. Kahit wala siyang pang-start, talaga naghanap siya ng paraan. Alam mo yung ginawa niya? Okay, nag-cash advance siya, okay, sa company nila. After 2 days, nag-start siya. And you know what happened? Okay, si Jover, siya yung unang napresentahan ko, tama. Okay, you know what? After a few weeks, nag-start si Jover. Okay, si Jover, nalagay ko under kay Mark. Right now, si Jover, Mark is a Ruby director. Jover is also a Ruby director. Okay? Friend, para ma-imagine mo lang, Ruby directors, so syempre no, pag Ruby director ka, okay, minimum na sales niyan, that's actually, for example, sa kabila, 5,000. Let's say max out siya, okay, ng isang business center. Okay, that's actually roughly 1 million pesos per week. Okay na sales. So friend, ito si Jover, Ruby Director, the sales that he actually is actually generating every single week is around 1 million pesos. Okay, yung sales na 1 million pesos, friend. Okay, actually, yung sales na yan, umakyat yan kay Mark. Pero question, friend. Okay, magkakilala ba si Mark or tsaka si Jover? Of course, hindi. Pero nakaka-benefit si Mark, okay, sa sales si Jover because Mark, when I presented the opportunity to him, okay, he actually appreciate or understand the power of smart positioning. Tama? Another one, friend. Oh, ito si Aljan. Kaklase ko naman to. Okay, kaklase ko naman to nung college. Okay, so actually nung present ko sa kanya, okay, si Yusana, siya yung isa sa mga unang presentan ko din, friend. Okay? Nung present ko sa kanya yung Yusana, na-appreciate niya naman. Ang problema lang, okay, may girlfriend siya that time. Tapos yung girlfriend niya pala, ilang beses na din napresenta ng Yusana. Medyo negative with regards to the opportunity. Okay? So, in short, medyo nadadala siya, okay, dun sa girlfriend niya. So, hindi siya nakapag-start kaagad. Here comes Brian. Si Brian naman, anyway, uh, si Brian is already a Ruby director, no? Also, Aljan is a Ruby director. So, si Brian naman, nung in-approach ko siya, kaklase ko siya, no? Sa elementary. Dapat teacher by profession. So, sinasabi ko din yung profession, parang nag-i-ABC na din ako. Okay, nagsa-storytelling na din ako sa mga story nila. So, si Brian, dapat teacher by profession. Okay, kaklase ko sa elementary. Actually, si Aljan yung close ko. Si Brian naman, hindi ko masyadong close. Okay, pero nung in-invite ko siya, pranisantan ko siya, okay, nang yun sana, you know what? Sobrang na-appreciate niya. Okay, nagustuhan niya yung opportunity. Imagine na 5 years na siya sa trabaho. Okay? Pero of course no, nung binagsak ko sa kanya yung opportunity, actually yung concern niya that time is pera din. Or pera. Or how to start the opportunity. Pero sabi ko nga sa kanya, oh Bray, 40,000 lang yan. Kasi 40,000 yung 3 business center. Okay, 40,000 lang yan. For sure, in your 5 years of being, kumbaga working sa DepEd, marami nang dumaan sa'yo na 40,000. Okay? Pero minsan nga, hindi mo na alam kung saan yun napupunta. At least this time, kung maglalabas ka ng 40,000 sa business, okay, talagang may babalik sa'yo. So alam mo yung ginawa niya, friend, okay? Nag-loan siya sa bangko through the DepEd. Kasi sanay yung mga taga DepEd eh. Okay, sa loan. Okay. So nag-loan siya, nag-start siya ng 3 business center. Exactly after 2 days, friend. Exactly after 2 days, si Aljan, dun siya nakapag-decide na mag-start ng Usana. Imagine si Aljan yung unang napresentahan ko. Okay? Pero ang nangyari si Aljan, nalagay ko siya under kay Brian. Kasi yun yung project ko that time. Okay? You know what? Aljan is also Ruby director. Meaning to say, the sales that he is actually generating together with his team is around 1 million pesos every single week, or 500,000 to 1 million pesos every single week. Yung 500,000 to 1 million pesos na sales, yan yung umaakyat na sales, okay, kay Brian. Question, magkakilala ba sila? Hindi. But naka-benefit lang si Brian, okay, sa market ko. Because Brian was able to grab the smart positioning. Okay, so may mga pa ganun, okay? So most of the time, itong slides na talaga to, ito yung nakakapagpa-trigger in order for them to start on the spot, especially if they have the credit card, especially if they have the cash. Okay? So, mapa-imagine mo sa kanila yung smart positioning. Okay? So, pag hindi talaga, okay, so friend, okay lang na I miss the opportunity. Okay? So, okay lang. Okay? So, follow up lang sila. Okay? So, but of course, no, pag latag ko na lahat, tapos ayaw pa rin, okay, then move on. Okay, remember, no, we're not here sa Usana to look for those people who will say no. But we're here in Usana to look for those people who will say yes. Focus on those people who will say yes. Okay, but of course, don't burn bridges. Okay, to them. Kasi some of the people the leaders that I have right now, hindi naman sila nag-start din, okay, on the spot. Okay? So, another one, this one, sa power positioning pa rin to, okay, you can also show them your preview. Okay, it's either in your laptop or maybe in your cellphone din. Okay, so minsan kung bago ka pa, okay, so syempre kakaperaso pa lang yung mga tao mo, di ba? Okay, so pwede mong mag-I story or share the stories of those people under you. Okay, yung mga pangalan dyan. Actually, friend, ito yung mga nakausap ko, mga na-sponsor ko, blah, blah, blah. Okay, so if mag-join ka, 'di ba, dito kita ilalagay. Okay? So ito na yung again sa smart positioning pa rin to. Okay? But more of share the story of those people under you. Okay? So para at least may imagine din nila na talagang may nag-i-enroll. Okay? So yan. Another one, creating urgency, okay, showing your prospect list. Dito naman nagagamit yung prospect list natin. Okay, so if you have your prospect list, okay, show to them. Okay, actually friend, seryoso talaga ako, okay, in this business. Okay, so aside from you, actually ito yung mga kakausapin ko pa, okay? So di ba kilala mo to? Si ano, si ano, si ano. Ito yung background niya. Imagine friend, okay, ang market niya sobrang laki. If ever magsa-start ka, okay, tapos ito nakausap ko, magsa-start din to, most likely, malalagay ko siya under you. Okay, so at least you are actually telling na if hindi sila mag-start, okay, there's something that they will actually miss. Okay? So, and of course, no, next thing is handle objections. Okay, so actually, there are three common objections lang naman. Okay, so na common no sa mga prospects natin. No? Okay, so dito na tayo mag-activity guys. Okay, so don't worry. Okay, so three common objections na kumbaga objections na mga prospects. So minsan kung common siya paulit-ulit. Okay, so in my 10 years na talagang totoo to. Okay. So first is money. Okay, so kung paulit-ulit siya, sabi nga, it's always wise to be prepared. Okay, so practicein mo na. Okay, paano sagutin if yan yung concern niya. Tama? So, for example, money. Okay, so how to handle that one. Okay, so there's what we call feel, felt, found approach. Okay, wag mo namang kalabanin na, di ba? Friend, di ba? Imagine, 10 years ka nang nagtatrabaho, wala ka pa rin pera. Okay? Next 2 years, wala ka pa rin pera. Okay? Wag mo namang diretsyon ng ganyan. Okay? So, parang sinasaksak mo na. Okay? So, ang pagsagot niyan, okay, so feel, felt, found, acknowledge. Okay, actually, friend, I totally understand. Okay, your concern. That's how I felt then. Okay, when yung sana was presented to me. Okay, wala din akong pera when I started. Okay, but you know what? I found out, okay, na ah I found out na kumbaga there are other ways okay to start this opportunity. So aside from cash, 'di ba? Pwede namang credit card. Okay. And at the same time, actually, na-realize ko din, friend, okay, na marami na ding dumaan sa atin, okay, na marami na ding dumaan sa akin, okay, na ganyang amount, pero wala ding nangyari, okay. So, and at the same time, sinasabi ko din diyan yung story ko din. Okay na, I was 21 years old, wala din akong pa-start, okay, hinapan ko lang ng paraan. Okay, and then, of course, no, sinasabi ko din, o, minsan sinasabi ko third party or ako, okay, ako. So, a lot of people na gustong may mangyari sa or gustong may magbago okay in terms of the finances okay but when the opportunity comes in okay so they don't want okay to grab the opportunity so most likely for the next 3 years for the next 5 years okay wala pa ring magbabago okay so that's why when I encountered this sana okay nakita ko yung potential niya okay then I grabbed the opportunity kahit wala akong pa-start hinanapan ko siya na paraan okay so of course, no, explain the importance of spending his next 46,000 or 40,000 pesos or any amount, no? Okay, to them. So, of course, also ask, no, baka pag sinabing walang pera or walang budget, baka hindi lang talaga pasok sa 40,000, okay? So, you can also ask them, sige friend, magkano pala yung budget mo? Okay, kaya ba for 20,000? Kasi if kaya naman, then you can opt okay for the one business center. Okay, so of course, no, you can also explain the good debt and bad debt. Okay, so ako personally, friend, talaga nangutang ako. Kasi I realize there are two types of debt. As sinasabi ko din to, no, as an accountant, okay, so we understand that there are two types of debt. Good debt tsaka bad debt. Okay, so good debt, okay, if nangutang ako, okay, for a certain opportunity or business, okay, alam ko na may return naman. Okay, ang yung sana na-realize ko, kung magsisimula ka, bibili ka lang naman ng products. Okay, tapos yung products, pwede ko naman siyang i-sell. Okay, so most likely, pag nabenta ko na siya, okay, I can recover the capital. Ang maganda, may profit pa ako. Okay, so in short, walang nawala. Okay, sa akin. Baka pwedeng may bumalik or may madagdag pa. Okay, versus, di ba, a lot of people are, kumbaga, may utang, okay, pero bad debt. Okay, so for example, cellphone, okay, yung iba din, pang birthday, okay, pang fiesta, okay, pang kasal. I mean, wala namang masama doon, okay? Pero if you're willing to borrow money for these things na wala namang return, how much more, okay, for business? Okay, minsan nga, 'di ba, pag may mga emergency, tama, pag may mga emergency, kahit walang pera, okay, nahahanapan ng paraan. Tama? Eh, disgrasya yun. Eh, siyo sana grasya to. Okay, how much more, di ba, nahanapan natin ng paraan. Okay? So, you can also suggest, okay, to them, options, no, how to look for means din. Okay, so, of course, you have to do mirroring. Okay, ito yung, you're sharing the third party story. Okay, ito yung mga pictures ng mga cross-lines natin, ng mga mentors natin. Okay, na if that's their concern, walang pera, walang budget, okay, you can also tell their story. Okay, for example, ito friend, si Mentor Noy, Okay, so si mentor na actually started the business, 21 years old, wala din pang start. Okay, pero you know what, inanapan niya ng paraan. Right now, friend, he's already a Ruby director. Okay, so Ruby director earns around 400 to half million per month. Okay, pero ang point ko dyan, friend, is that, di ba, huwag mong tignan yung ilalabas mo. Tignan mo yung potential na babalik sa'yo. Kasi kung titignan mo yung lalabas mo, okay, tsaka, and at the same time, medyo hindi ka sanay maglabas ng ganong amount of money, medyo matatakot ka. Talagang may fear talaga yan. Okay, pero kung titignan mo naman yung pwedeng bumalik sa'yo, okay, dun ka may excite. Tama? So again, tignan mo yung babalik sa iyo compare sa ilalabas mo. Okay? So, ayan, list down potential options. Okay? So, for example, friend, ano ba sa work mo? Ano ba yung mga potential options mo na pwede kang maghanap ng paraan? Okay? So, especially if natanong mo sa kanya, friend, if money is not really an issue. Okay? If money is not really an issue, would you like to start? Okay, so kasi na-mention mo kanina, 'di ba, naghanap ka talaga ng extra income. Okay, naghanap ka talaga ng pagkakakitaan. Okay, so most likely pag wala kang bagong gagawin, okay? So 3 years from now, 5 years from now, wala ka pa ring extra income. Okay? Or 'di ba? Yan. So, yan, walang pera. Yan, ito 'yun pag credit card, no? Okay, so pag credit card, 'di ba, pwede mo pa siyang ipa-installment. Okay? So, at least nagamit mo siya, okay, for business. Naro-rolling mo. Okay, compare sa, 'di ba, yung credit card, sinipe mo lang, okay, kung saan-saan tapos wala pang return. Okay? So, lugi ka doon. Okay? Next is time. Okay? So, again, tatlo nga yan, no? Money, time, and hindi ko linya. Okay? So, pag sinabing time, okay, paano ba sagutin? So, friend, use feel, felt, found approach. Okay, so friend, I totally understand, okay, your concern. Okay, so I felt the same way. But you know what? I found out. Okay, so kasi minsan yung mga prospect na nakakausap natin, they will think na yung sana will take so much of their time. Okay, na akala nila, especially pag full-time ka na nagpe-present, no? Akala nila na yung gagawin nila, same sa'yo, full-time din, okay? Nagpe-present, nagte-training, okay? So, but you know what, friend, I realized na inyo sana, pwede pala siya part-time. Okay, 80% to 90% of the people here in Sana are actually part-timers. Okay, na ginagawa nila on the side. Okay, after ng trabaho nila. Tapos 'di ba friend na mention mo kanina based sa usapan natin sa simula. Okay, so you still have weekend or every Saturday or every Sunday. Okay, so actually friend, pwede na 'yan. Okay, nagawa natin yung isa na. Okay, so of course, no, show the potential of leverage income. Okay, so paano ba yung leverage income? Okay, if you can draw, no, better, or if you have illustration about active income, tsaka leverage income, better. So how do I do it? Okay, so active income. So actually, friend, ito lang yung na-realize ko. Bakit ko sineryoso yung business? Okay, so there are actually two types of income. Active income. Active income is a type of income, friend. Okay, that if you spend 8 hours, you'll get paid for 8 hours. The only way for you to increase your income, if active income ka, okay, is what? Increasing the time and effort that you're actually giving to that particular opportunity. You say overtime. Pero ang hindi maganda or ano ba yung nakapait diyan? Ah, ang ano, ang hindi okay if you stop working, okay, the income will also stop. Okay? So friend, ang leverage income naman, we acknowledge yung sana, okay, that sa simula, it will really take off your time. Okay? Kasi it makes sense kasi 'di ba, leverage income will also lead to residual income. Okay? It will make sense kasi yung pinaka-goal din natin aside from the income is also the time. And I also understand that if you want time, you have to invest time. Okay? So sa simula, okay, it will really take time. Okay? Yung illustration na ah, time and income. Time and effort tapos income. Sa simula, it would really take time. Okay? Pero dadating yung time as you are building the business, okay, hindi na lang ikaw yung gumagawa. Dadating yung point na kahit wala ka ng effort or maliit lang effort or no effort at all, okay, may income pa rin na pumapasok. Okay? It will build passive income. In short, in the long run, okay, you will also gain so much time. Okay? So, ayan, of course, mirror someone na busy and yet nagawa pa rin ng Usana. So, dito na papasok yung mga pag-EBC natin. Okay na mga tools, no? Crossline, for example, si Lincoln Lim, example din example ko din yan, no? Okay, so friend, di ba, mahiya naman tayo, di ba? Ikaw, di ba, pareho lang tayong staff dito, tapos ito si Lincoln Lim, may-ari ng Toyota, di ba? Pina-part-time pa yung sana, okay? But of course, no, not in a rude way. Okay? So, you can also draw a tree view, no? Okay, so eto ginagawa ko din to minsan pag talagang literal na busy yung tao. Okay, sir, bigay ka lang ng referral sa akin. Okay, so ito ka. Okay, ang goal lang natin mabuo yung tree view mo. May i-refer kang sa left, may i-refer kang sa right. Okay, kahit busy ka, tumatakbo pa rin yung business mo. Bakit? Okay, kasi you will not be doing this alone. Okay, so I can handle the presentation, I can also handle the training. Okay, so on and so forth. Okay? So, yeah, next is hindi ko linya. Okay, so again dito na papasok okay yung pag-ABC din natin. Okay, sa mga uplines or mga crosslines din natin. Okay, so ayan, of course no, you also tell them na i-train ka naman dito. Okay, friend, naniniwala ka ba na lahat ng bagay, okay, pwedeng matutunan. Okay, parang sa work lang, parang sa work mo lang. Okay, yung simula, hindi mo naman lang alam yan. Nangangapa ka. Okay, pero right now, master mo na. Kahit pumikit ka dyan, okay, alam mo yung ginagawa mo sa trabaho mo. Same thing with this business. Okay, so sa simula, talagang hindi talaga tayo magaling. Okay, pero ang maganda naman, friend, may mga trainings naman na kinakandak dito. Tsaka hindi mo lang siya gagawin mag-isa. Okay? So as long as willing kang matuto, willing kang mag-spend ng time and effort, okay, actually, it's doable. Okay? So next is, okay, another bonus, okay? Tanong ko muna sa partner ko, ito common din to, no? Okay, so ito din, as much as possible, if kaya mo namang ma-invite, okay, yung mag-asawa, pareho, yung isang partner niya, then better. Okay, so if hindi naman, okay, so paano ba sagutin 'yan? Okay. So give them the caution, okay, or warning them, okay. So friend, I understand na nag-set ka, sa nakita mo, I suggest wag ka muna magkwento sa kanya kasi hindi ka naman niya maiintindihan. So iba ang nakita mo ngayon sa masasabi mo. Okay. So minsan din sinasabi ko, actually friend, nung na-offer din sa akin yung sana, wala pa naman ako asawa, okay, pero that time, yung sa parents ako humingi ng advice or permission to start Usana. But you know what? Yung parents ko are really negative, okay, with regards to this opportunity. Okay, bakit? Number one, hindi naman nila narinig, okay, yung presentation. And they also have the same experience with the other company. Okay, na hindi naman talaga na pinursu and hindi naman talaga sila nag-succeed. Okay, so in short, they are just concerned, okay, sa akin, na yung nangyari sa kanila, baka pwedeng mangyari sa akin. Okay, pero friend, okay, I believe ikaw naman yung napresentahan ko, ikaw naman yung nakaintindi. Okay, so ultimately, ikaw pa rin yung magde-decide. Okay, I acknowledge that you will ask permission, no? Tapos, if ever friend, di ba, na may mga tanong ka, may mga questions kayo, you can always stop me. We can also set an appointment, separate appointment together with your husband or wife. Okay, so pagdating niyo sa bahay niya, just in case, di ba, i-approach niya yung wife niya or yung husband niya. Okay, so yung sinabi mo na baka mag-negative, okay, tapos nag-negative talaga, okay, sasabihin niya, o nga no, tama nga talaga si presenter. Okay, nag-negative nga yung wife niya. Okay, so in short, babalikan ka pa niya. Okay? So he will also set another appointment. So, I've experienced that one. Okay, so talagang, kumbaga, sa amin pa, helmetan mo na. Okay? I-helmetan mo yung napresentahan mo. Okay? So, pag-isipan ko muna. Okay, ito yung mahirap. Okay? Pinakamahirap sa lahat. Okay? Pero minsan, tinatanong ko din dito, pabalik. Okay, friend, okay lang ba matanong, ano yung pag-iisipan mo? Okay? So, kasi minsan, di ba, it's just an excuse, okay, for them. Okay, so they still have this what? Okay, objections, okay, in their mind. So, yung objections na possible na meron sila, it's either product or sa business, okay, or maybe hindi lang talaga sila trusting pa, okay, sa'yo, or maybe in terms of financial aspect, okay. But most of the time, Okay, so financial aspect. So friend, tinatanong ko sila. So friend, in my 10 years no in the business, okay. So most of the time pag interested naman pero they are still hesitant no to start kahit na na-mention ko na yung power positioning, okay, yung ibang mga pang-urgency. Okay, actually friend, tatlo lang yan. Either product, business, or baka wala ka lang talagang tiwala sa akin or maybe financial aspect. So, direct to the point, okay. Friend, saan dito talaga yung concern mo? Okay, para at least ma-address na natin. Okay? So, next is next thing, again, ang pinaka-ultimately, okay, ang pinaka-goal sa closing is just to connect, okay, their need, okay, to Usana. So, how can Usana be a solution, okay, to their particular needs? Okay, so for example, di ba, friend, na-mention mo, okay, kanina, naghahanap ka talaga ng extra income, okay, kasi kulang na kulang talaga, okay, so I believe, no, based on what I presented to you, this opportunity is really perfect or fit, okay, for you. Okay, again, okay, the goal is to connect the needs, okay, to Usana. So, activity, okay, so mag-activity pa mentor, no? Okay, in your breakout room, okay, same pa rin, no? Pair up with someone or round, ano ba yung process kanina? Okay. Then, choose at least one, okay, of the objection or maybe you can assign, no? Okay, objections, then answer it together with your teammates. Okay, so, yan, mentor. So, let's, bolt in. Let's go to the breakout room.
Ayan, okay. So guys, yung mga kaninang end the session.
Ayan, so congratulations guys for the second activity, no, or breakout session, okay, together with your cross lines, uplines, and downlines, no. So actually, wala nang karugtong 'yun. Okay, that's it for tonight, no. I hope guys na marami kayong natutunan for tonight's session, and I hope na ma-apply natin siya, no. Okay, this week and for the remaining days of this year. Okay, so just remember that closing is actually a skill, hindi siya innate, no, or talent, okay, ng mga mentors natin. So talagang dumaan lang din talaga, okay, sila sa proseso, kaya magaling sila, okay, close ng sale. Okay, so but of course the goal is to practice because the more you do it, the better you become. Okay, so guys, no, sabay-sabay tayong gumaling, okay, mag-closing para at least marami pa tayong mga brand partners that we can acquire no, okay, this year. So congratulations everyone and thank you again, Mentor Diana, for inviting me tonight. All right.
Thank you so much, Mentor Noy. Okay, bago ang lahat, mag-video muna tayo at mag-picture. Yan, okay. Yan. So,